Let us break down all there is to know about augmented reality. First of all, what is virtual reality and how is it any different from augmented reality? Virtual reality is when a screen shows you something but it blocks your view of the actual world. This is what you can see inside a virtual reality headset. Now, augmented reality, or AR in short, is a step further. With AR, you can look out into the physical world and be able to see digital information on it. Much like Iron Man's headgear or sci-fi glasses. But let me assure you that such technology has moved way beyond science fiction. We're already using AR without noticing its extent. And that is the point, right? Integration of the physical world with the virtual one. But how does augmented reality really work? AR starts with a camera-equipped device like a smartphone or smart glasses, but the key to its implementation is a digital twin of physical objects on the cloud servers. Computer vision, artificial intelligence, and machine learning play a vital role in detection and classification of objects. The camera sends the video stream to the cloud. The cloud in turn correlates it with the existing digital models of physical objects and sends back the data. This data can now be superimposed on the object to produce an immersive 3D experience. The applications are limited only to our imagination. We are already using AR in a variety of fields like sport telecasts, newer cars, and aeroplanes. Navigation, collision warning, and other information is visible directly to the driver's line of sight. But it still has tremendous potential. For example, in brain surgery, instead of porting the picture to a two-dimensional screen, a hologram displaying three-dimensional marks will provide much needed greater accuracy. AR can facilitate remote learning and visual learning to bring quality education to the remotest areas. Tutorials and manuals for factory workers and even regular people can be simpler and easy to understand with the help of AR. Engineers and architects will greatly reap the benefits of AR vision. The question is AR the future? The answer to this question is a big yes. In fact, even Apple may kill its flagship product, the iPhone, in the next 10 years because smartphones will get replaced by AR-enabled devices and wearables like smartwatches and smart glasses. Very soon, AR headsets and smart glasses will be 5G enabled. Then we won't even need a Wi-Fi connection. Voice commands and virtual touches will work seamlessly, blurring the lines between what's real and what's not. It all sounds like science fiction becoming a reality, and it is so. See you next time on a hologram.